Hi, my name is Rayhan Khan.
And my name is Shahzad Akhtar.
Today we will be talking about the art of the sport cricket.
Cricket is a fun sport that is played all around the world. Cricket is played from India, Pakistan, Trinidad, Guyana, and more.
Cricket is a sport played with a bat and a ball. There are 11 players on a team and is played on a field that is 22 yards long on the pitch and 10 feet wide.
There are many events played in cricket, like the T20 World Cup, which was won by St. Lucia last year.
Cricket is a unique sport that has to do with eliminating people out of the field. One example is that in cricket we use something called a wicket, also known as stumps.
The bowler tries to make the ball hit the wickets. If the ball hits the wicket, then the batsman is out.
There is also a rule that is called LBW, which is when the bowler hits the batsman's leg.
There are many roles played in cricket, which are the bowler, fielder, and batsman. The bowler is the one that throws the ball at the batsman. The batsman is the one to hit the ball and make runs. The fielder has to catch the ball.
When the batsman hits the ball, if it hits the end of the field, it counts as 4 runs. And if you hit the ball high up and goes over the 4-run line, it is 6 runs.
The fielder tries to stop the ball from hitting the 4-run line. If the fielder catches the ball before it hits the floor, it's an out.
While the fielders are trying to get the ball, you can make runs by running back and forth, but you have to make sure you get to your end before the fielders come and hit the wickets.
This is our report of art of cricket.
Have a nice day, Seawolves.